Hello friends, today I am going to show you a working model of noun. First, for that you need cardboards. You just need to make a square cardboard and a circular cardboard piece, wrap it, and need five cardboard pieces like this. Paste it with the paper and different images of different types of noun. And in center you can use a circular thing to hold others. You just need to some double tape or feviquick to attach them, and after attaching you will get this type of scenario. So first is proper noun. See, I have pasted here name the proper noun and the images this side also and this side also. Next, here we are having common noun with images. Next we are having collective noun with images. Next we are have material noun with their images, and at the end we are having abstract noun with their images. It's very easy to make, and this will make your class attractive. Students will learn it very easily if you make this type of teaching aid for your class. I hope you will use it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.